This is a fun and simple way to paint flowers just using brush marks. So I'm pressing the brush down and arranging the marks in a circular shape. And you can either do this with the brush pointing outwards towards the edge of the petals, or with the brush pointing inwards towards the centre of the flower. You can obviously do this in any colour. And I'd encourage you to experiment with different brushes. If you've got different brushes available, different shapes and sizes of brush will give you quite different types of petals. So have a play with any brushes that you've got on some scrap paper, and then you can add the flower shapes to a background or just use them to create abstract patterns. You can also use the brush to create leaf shapes in a similar way. I'm using a round brush here with a pointed tip. It's a synthetic size 12 brush, and I'm just using the tip of the brush to create the pointy end of the leaves.